Hi guys, Uzoto Wabantu. Just to share with you guys, I have won. We are celebrating victory. This man over here, Neven Kavenda, has been found guilty. I have won. People have commented that he's overweight, ugly, has a small penis because he came for me, for my culture and how I dress. Look at him. Never support Neven Kavenda from Phoenix. The link is below. Daily Sun wrote the story. You should never support him. Any woman that's feeling otherwise about themselves is because of men like this. So never support him. Neven Kavenda from Phoenix. We are coming for you. We are pursuing a lawsuit against you. A hot one. Since I'm hot. Never come for any woman, especially discriminating any black woman. We are in Africa, we are the same. Thank you so much, my people, for supporting me. The link is below with Daily Sun. We're going to be publishing the story throughout the case. I'm coming for you. You messed with the wrong Zoto Wabantu. Neven Kavenda from Phoenix. No one should come to your... I'm going to sue you. Thank you.